We are at a thriving destination in downtown Safford on Main Street, Genevive's Marketplace.
It's part cafe.
You're here for great gourmet coffee, fresh produce in our salad bar, amazing paninis. It's a great place for them to come and eat breakfast, have lunch.
Part coffee house.
So the Main Street Beanside is more known by the locals for the espresso, the coffee, the organic coffee.
Part gourmet and gift shop.
Genevieve's Marketplace also provides not only some of the most unique gifts you can find, but we also have gourmet olive oil and balsamics from around the globe.
Here, owner Jenny Howard has turned Main Street more uptown.
It's funny, when we brought the olive oil and balsamic in, I distinctly remember a local woman coming in and saying, "Boy, you're putting Safford, Arizona in shock, aren't you?" It was an education process about the first year to educate people on how to use it, but now you have your regulars that come in and they know what they want, and it's a lot of fun.
And has helped make historic downtown Safford hip.
Safford Main Street is a historic, vibrant area of the community, just located at the base of the Gilas, and it's a draw for people to come and see the unique treasures that we have here. It's growing, it's vibrant, it's diversified. It's just a lot of fun to be here and to meet the people that come here.
It really is where the community comes to meet, and then Genevieve's itself is where you grab a coffee. So where you're coming to meet, this is the place where you're meeting in the place you come to meet.
And Genevieve's has a loyal following.
Every morning I come in and I get a double shot espresso, and it's great. Very rich, good coffee.
We come in for everything. The paninis are fantastic. The gelato, it's the only place around we can get gelato. And my wife loves the coffee. I'm a hot chocolate guy. There's something special about it. It's the most delicious hot chocolate I've ever had. I'm not exaggerating, it's the truth. And she won't tell me what makes it so different. So I have to keep coming back.
Just the energy, the atmosphere, the employees here, the staff have made me feel so welcome, so valued, so appreciated.
My whole family's been coming here ever since they opened here. We love the balsamics. We love tasting through the whole balsamic bar and grab a little piece of bread and taste anything they've got.
A high-end coffee bar, gourmet olive oils and balsamic vinegars from all over the world, and unique locally made gifts. Genevieve's serves a variety of cafe-style paninis, and they even use their own chili olive oil and cherry balsamic vinegar in their dishes. And their most popular panini? The Arizona, of course.
It's ham with green chili and pepper jack cheese, a little on the spicy side, and that's our #1 seller, not for its name, but I guess how it correlates together. And then we have our pulled pork sliders, which we also do in a panini, and again, that's our slow roasted pork that we utilize our green chili olive oil and balsamics to roast that.
Genevieve's Marketplace may not be what you'd expect to find in a rural Arizona town.
Out here in Safford in rural Arizona, we've got a tortilla factory and our own salsas, and we have a pretty fancy palate. It's kind of surprising that out on the byways out in rural Arizona that we have kind of a more expensive taste, but we've got this olive oil bar here and we're proud of it.
That's what makes it a hidden gem.
They can eat, they can shop, they can enjoy a beverage, they can sit outside on the deck and just have a great time with us.